Hey guys, this is my 3D book case. This Black Multi Crossbody. Okay, this is the thing there. Marcus, Spade, New York. Novelty purse. One there. Disney. Okay. Now, let's open this one. Take all the stuff inside. Oh, what is this one here? This might be, I don't know, that might be only a potion there. There's nothing on that. That one, let's see. It's nice leather. Nice leather. So, oh, wait, I have to take this one too. That one. Then, this is the strap. And take another potion. And another thing inside. What is this? Oh, that might be the the bling bling. I think if you lost one of these, you can replace it with that. So this is the inside here. Fit closer, Pixie. This is the inside that I need. Is kind of dark, but anyway, that one I have to take this strap. You see. Again, get that one there. That strap is okay.
My arm's hurting.
Okay, that one there. This is the strap. You can do it like this way. Okay, where's the thing on this inside? Okay, you can. Okay, I took that out. You see? You can do it like that. Oh. You can do it like this, or yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is just a Beauty Beast. There's two Beauty and the Beast. Then Kate Spade. Was it Spade Press, New York? Then this is the strap right here. This strap is only an option. You can do satchel style or crossbody style. Ako'y nakuha kamot guys. So, this one I have to be. Okay. This one, you just adjust the strap. Okay. Like this. You can do it like this way. Take this off or leave it like that. Then adjust this one. Oh, they have the same thing here. See that? Okay. So, see, look. You can do it like that, or you can do it this way. Hold it like this, or like that, or you can do it like this, or you can do it like that. See? It's nice.